Hello everybody and welcome to our Mighty African History channel. So today let's cross over to northern Tanzania and meet the Hadzabe. The Hadzabe, in Kiswahili they are called Hadzabe. They are one of the last remaining hunters gatherers tribes on earth. So stay here to know how they live without growing food nor having livestock, what time they do their hunting, which is very interesting, and what makes them very special and one of the most interesting tribes in Africa. Okay, so the Hadzabe people, or Wahadzabe, they live around Lake Eyasi in the central Rift Valley near Mangola town. According to the 2015 census, they number around 1,300. So, since they are hunting and gathering society, they don't have permanent settlement, and they neither grow nor store their food. They only survive by hunting. Their diet is in nature. They eat much honey, fat, and meat. Their settlements or shelters are temporarily created through dried grasses and branches. Known for shunning material possessions and social hierarchy, the Hadza, they roam as needed to find game, tubers, and wild berries. One of the most interesting things about the Hadza is their language. Their language is actually called Hadzane. Okay, so here is an example of how they speak.
Mogesa Matukwaya ne onoku
Shakwa Uba
Coco, shut the talk in on.
It's a very unique language with click sounds. So, based on their historical background, which they tell through their oral tradition ceremonies, it says that biologically, the Hadza tribe is one of the tribes that shows their traditional way of life that people used to do or live more than 1 million years ago. Boys and men hunt most of the times with self-made bows and arrows. The bows are said to be exceptionally heavy and strong, that goes to 6 feet in length. You actually know that the Hadza people, they don't hunt during the day. Yeah, you heard me right. They hunt during the night. And on the other hand, the Hadza women, they make their clothes from the impalas, and they use the impala fat to make lotion for their body. The Hadza live in bomas, which are dotted through the bush in groups of 20 or so. The bomas are not owned by anyone, and when they leave the place, another group comes in. They live very freely. They don't grow food, they raise no livestock, and survive strictly by hunting antelopes, baboons, birds, buffaloes, dik-diks, and so on. And the Hadza people, they smoke a lot of tobacco, even young boys. The Hadza people are a very interesting tribe. Their survival depends on natural resources. So next time you come near Tanzania, visit the Hadza people, the last tribe of hunters and gatherers in Africa. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye.
Myra
Mzungu.